Welcome to the BBC Podcast. Tapping in with Tucci again. We're here for another Money Monday. Show you some side hustles, man, so where you guys don't have to mess up the day job. Get this regular money, but let's get this extra money too. Let's get it.
Get on your job, nigga. Motivation. Haters better get on your job. Tell them. Haters get on your job, nigga. This motivation. Suck a nigga, get on your job. If you...
All right, everybody, let's get ready. Another Money Monday right here. We're going to tap you in with a new app that I came across, man. I've seen some people, they actually using it to utilize some extra income. And it all taps in all together, man, especially if you are actually an animal lover yourself. So that's what that's going to roll on to. App's called Rover. Very user-friendly. A lot of people out here are already using it. They already have their whole data laid out all the time about when and how they want their dogs to be eaten, treated, groomed, and all the other stuff like that. If you're actually an animal lover, just from get-go, you guys are probably already out here petting people's dogs and everything for free and doing all some other stuff. Let me show you how you can bring in this range, man. It goes anywhere between $50 to $400 per animal. Pretty sure average person can at least handle a minimum of 2. So right here, where we're going to start off at, you see there's a charge for boarding. It can range anywhere, man. You want to go anywhere between like 40 to 55 boarding. That's keeping a dog per night overnight. This could be dog or cat also. Overnight, minimum between 40 55. You get your reviews real high. You want to go ahead and roll it onto the 55 mark and keep that rolling. And then what you want to do from there, you'll see that you have drop-ins, would be like dog sitting just for a short period of time. Minimum, you want to range anywhere between 15 and 21 an hour or 25, depending on the size of your house and how you can actually keep the dog inside or outside. Then you're going to have dog care. Dog care could be anywhere. People are gone for the day and they want to actually have their dogs taken care of, need medicine, meds, might be dog injured, wheelchair, anything type like that. You want to go ahead and just start your rate anywhere between 25 to 35 on that range. And then dog walking is the most like active part of this app, is where people just, a lot of people, elderly people that don't have time, always busy, love their animal, but don't have time to take the dogs out themselves, dog park type of stuff. So for any half hour, you want to start off anywhere between 15, range it all the way up to about like 25 per half hour. And other than that, it'll be an hour walk after that. Usually hour walk, I'm pretty sure you can probably do about 5-6 blocks within 1 hour to go ahead and get that count. So each dog goes from there per size. Per size, like I said, minimum you want to always start off anywhere in the teens, and then anything dogs that are actually bigger, it'll range up and go higher. Anything between, it'll say 15 pounds to about 60, 75 pounds. So that ranges, that goes up there. You keep all your stuff here. You see everything. You want to get your reviews and everything down. Get your chart and everything down too, also, to where you see that when you're available, not available. People always want to know plans ahead of time when they can drop their dogs off, how long the dog can stay, and the services that you're available to perform, like while the dog's actually there too. Most of the people usually have friendly type of dogs to where that you're easy to deal with, and you can actually just like deal with them, actually pet them. No growling, no not miscommunication between the owner and yourself on how you will tame the dog or be able to just care for the dog, period. Always let them know whether you're not good with dogs using the restroom or dogs actually being sick and throwing up. You know, dogs throw up and eat their own stuff. So stuff like that. Make sure your availability is always on point. Be punctual. These people are handing you their second child, as they like to say, that they make sure that the dog is taken care of and under absolute care. These people are recurring. They do the same stuff every single week, every single day. So as you see here, that we're arranged that you can make anywhere between $244, $70, $17. Just all depends on what you're doing. Grooming, overnight, giving the dog meds, just pretty much sitting and just feeding and just pretty much all care all through the bottom. You see all top to bottom going through here. This is the type of incomes that come in. This is all like weekly, and this is all per dog that you see that's going through here. Everyone's per dog. So how many dogs can you take care of in 1 week? And this is on the side. If you imagine if you did it full time, this is actually ridiculous, but just 200 121, 44. Like, man, the range is like absolutely endless. So don't forget that this is all extra money that you do on your side. So you have about 2-3 hours to kill after work, before work. I couldn't even imagine on a day off, man, you can actually bring in a good extra minimum $500. And I say if you actually got good at it and timed everything out right, $1,000 easily through an app on your phone. You're already not doing nothing anyway. So, and especially if you already have your own dog. I know some of you guys are going to say, oh, I have a dog that doesn't get along with other dogs. But, hey, this is extra money. You're going to make Pookie and Ray Ray get along with whoever for some money. So, yeah, make sure to check everything out. Make sure everything's dialed in, because being punctual is where this app is where you'll succeed. Make sure to build up reviews, get good reviews, go the little extra mile, and make sure the dogs always smell good, groomed, and nice. Like when you give the dog back, owners will always like that. They'll leave you good tips also. And just to show right here that these are just like jobs that are like, this is what the person's actually doing now. Like that, this is how much they're bringing in per se. Like, you know what I'm saying? So check out the chart, man. The money and everything is here. Real quick time. That's all I needed just for you to just check out the video. If you're a dog lover, you're missing out on money. I don't know what else you're doing, man. But tune in for the next Money Monday. Man, I'm finding apps all over the place, man. I'm going to share the knowledge and the sauce with you guys. BBC, we out.